Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Ty here, coming back to another video. Today we're doing a Who Knows Me Better video with Danjo and Joe. I'm just going to be asking them a few questions, or a couple, or just some questions to see who knows me better. Let's just bring them in the frame and let's get this video started. Peace. Alright guys, so I got Joe and Danjo here. But I'm about to give them some little hints of what the questions I'm gonna ask them. Let me get to that right now and we'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I just gave them a few hints about some things about me because I know they don't know everything about me, but yeah, so that should help. So let's just get right into the video. First question. What's my favorite color?
Oh, it's red, bro.
What'd you say?
It's red.
Right.
Okay.
Alright, next question. What's my favorite sports car / dream car?
Sport car?
Sports car
Isn't it
/
Ferrari?
dream car. Yeah. What were you gonna say?
Fucking what's that? I was gonna say DTR, but no.
I got that one, you guys.
Question 3. What's my favorite food?
Mexican food, bro.
Food, bro. Has to.
Question 4. How many pairs of shoes do I own?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Five.
6, 7. No. Like 7.
7.
Yeah, they're right there. I'm gonna sell them.
So I got that one, 7, you
Okay,
guys.
fine, yeah, I guess.
What, bro? I got.
I still own it, I guess.
Oh shit.
And you said 6, huh?
No, I said 7.
Yeah.
You said 6, you liar, bro.
You said 6.
No,
You gotta go back in the replay at the end of the video, like
Yeah,
you see, you get
that
the
was
point.
it.
Like 7.
7.
I got that, you guys.
When did I upload my first video?
Oh, dude, that's last year. 2017.
That was in February, bro. I don't know the exact. No,
2017?
February. It was like 2 months after I did it.
Wait, hold up.
It was like 10 months ago.
2017, dude. Has to be.
February. It was February.
Month or year?
I don't know the date. It was.
What is it?
I think he
Year?
wants a
It's a
month.
month.
It was in
Do a month?
February. Because he did it like right after I did my first one in January, so it has to
I'll
be
say-
February.
I said November.
February.
I knew it. February, you guys.
What'd you say?
I said November.
You guys, I only know it's February because when I did my first video in January, we were all like, yo, let's start YouTube. And then he did it like a month after I did, so that was right?
When did I lose my virginity?
Oh,
9/11, bro.
No. November?
No, joke.
Nine.
What was my first girlfriend's name?
Jello.
First girlfriend? I don't think you ever told
Maria.
me. I only know the first.
Malia? Maria?
Just
Wasn't it like Vanessa?
I said Maria. No.
No,
Vanessa, no.
Michaela.
Michaela, what the heck?
But it started with the M, so can I get the half point? 'Cause
Sorry.
I said
Alright,
I know
I
it's
didn't
around
know that,
M, so I gotta be. I get the point.
Michaela. If you ever see this, he wants you back.
Why you gotta do it like that? You want that? He said no.
What sport did I play in
high school?
in high school?
Baseball, bro.
man.
Alright. What's my favorite sports team in basketball?
The Warriors, man.
Who's my favorite player?
Steph
Curry.
Curry.
What's my classic dream car?
A Beamer.
Classic dream car?
Yeah,
Like old school,
yeah,
right?
old school.
Oh, old school? Cadillac? Or I say Cadillac for it. I haven't heard this for a while. Matter of fact,
1969 Mustang.
oh, my turn. A 1998 Toyota Corolla.
Alright, Joe was like the closest. Like,
Yeah, I said-
it's a Mustang, but like it's like I don't know, like the '97 one.
I said my car.
What's my favorite Major League Baseball team?
Major League?
Yeah, like MLB.
Giants.
Major League, right? Like the professional
Yeah.
league? Okay, Giants. Of course.
What's the first elementary school I went to?
Is it
Charter Elementary.
No, it's by
No, he went to Cooper.
Cooper. I don't know.
No, that's not what it's called.
So you said
He went to Charter.
I don't know that school name.
It's like, I'll tell you. You can't.
Oh, wait, no,
it's like down the street from my house. Federal Terrace.
No, you guys looked at me.
Federal Terrace, dude. You have terrace?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
What's my favorite football team? Professional football.
No, 49ers. There's no.
I have to say, no, let me see.
49ers or
Sound like San Francisco a lot. Has to
It
be.
might be on.
Hey.
Might not be.
Patriots?
It's not on that.
Can't be Patriots.
I've never seen him wear that.
49ers, dude. Either 49ers or...
You know, he's a big San Francisco guy, so I gotta say 49ers.
Yeah.
Let's go.
How long have I lived in Vallejo?
He's lived here.
How old are you?
No, I lied.
I'm 20.
18.
He's lived here his entire life. Hold on, I'm trying to think.
I said 18, fuck it. You haven't told me that, so I'm guessing 18.
Cause he moved to San Francisco once.
Because you did say elementary, right?
He's been here for 20 years, you guys.
Elementary. So I'll say 18 or 19. Just because you... 19.
I say 20 because he moved out
'Cause
once,
you
but
remember
he wasn't gone for an entire year.
No, it has to.
You say 18?
I say 20.
I said 19. Yeah, let's go! Let's go!
What year is my car?
2005.
2000.
2005. I'm going to 2005. I feel like 2004.
Does it look like a 2005 car?
2006? Yeah? 2006 or 2005? I feel like
2000.
2007.
It's a 2008.
2007.
Final answer?
2007.
No, it's 2009. I lied.
2007.
2012.
Well,
I said 2005, so Joe was like,
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I don't know who won. So I'll put the winner and loser right here. I don't know which one, but yeah, right here. So yeah, congrats to whoever won. But your boy Sal, we're out. Peace.
deuces. Phew!